So I received a nice little care package in the mail. Our dear Amazon Prime. So I leave shit on my fucking steps again. The doorbell, no nothing. Thank you, Amazon. Not a really big Amazon guy. Sometimes you gotta go out of your norm and just say, you know what, fuck it, let me just Amazon. More of an eBay guy. That's just me. So what I ended up ordering for my buddy of mine for Monte Carlo, you know, we needed some battery terminals. And I needed a particular type of battery terminal. Gotta take care of some shit, right? Kind of like what I did with the RX-7. So I had to make a video of this shit. Because normally you get like a little bullshit white box. Let me show you. Look at this shit. Tell me this ain't the bougiest fucking box you have ever seen. Hold on. Let me get a better picture of this. There we go. Okay. Now let's take a look at this. This is like a beyond unboxing. Check it out. This some bougie shit. Bougie. Like I can't. And then I wiggle it out. Right? Looks like a fucking watch. And I'm like, damn, they gave me a little card. You know, battery, dear customer, thank you. Look at that, kissing my ass. You know, thank you, VGate. And then I'm like, okay, what the fuck is this? Look at this shit. Look at that. That is the bougiest fucking packaging. I think I paid for the packaging and the battery terminals came free. I gotta admit, I know I'm a cheap ass dude, but damn, these are nice. I think these are like maybe 35, 40 bucks. I ordered them Monday night, and they got here just today. But again, small little project, take care of some shit. That's some bougie packaging, dude. Like, I had a rough day. That bitch made me smile a little bit. Hope it makes you smile, you know? No harm, no foul to all you guys that own audio shops, you know? Wasn't I'm trying to be too much of a cheap ass, but in particular battery terminal I was looking for, this is what I was looking for. So, yeah, they all right. They look nice. We'll see how well they perform once I get them in the car. All right, be an update on that. I'll holler at you back.